trend is sweeping the nation. Instead of popping some aspirin, folks are turning to IV therapy to cure a hangover. It's a trend that's made its way to New Orleans. And as Jaclyn Kelley shows us, it's already gaining popularity.
If there's one thing New Orleans knows how to do, it's have a good time. And with so much to do, that leaves little time to nurse a hangover, which is why folks are now turning to IV therapy.
Pretty rapidly, within I'd say 15 or 20 minutes, they're feeling better, and it's my goal to get them feeling back to themselves or better before they leave.
IV drips are something you would expect to see in a hospital, but now Dr. Mignonne Mary's new walk-in clinic, the Remedy Room, is offering the 45-minute treatment in the convenience of a relaxing spa setting.
First and foremost, it's about dehydration, and then the other things that we add are some antioxidants and things that help them to clear the toxins faster.
For $150, you can get an energy boost or treat a variety of common ailments, from hangovers to the stomach bug. Donald Nolte says he heard about it and decided to check it out when he got sick. And after one treatment, he was hooked.
Later on that day, I was feeling a lot better. The next day, I was 100% fine. I've been a believer ever since. I come twice a month.
Well, first of its kind here in the metro area, walk-in clinics just like the Remedy Room are popping up all over the country. But the question is, can it really cure a hangover?
A hangover is a constellation of symptoms. Usually someone may be dehydrated, have a headache, plus or minus nausea or vomiting. We have different cures for those things individually that can make a person feel better, but there is no such thing as a hangover cure.
But for Dr. Mary, she says it's not about curing them, it's about getting people back on their feet.
I think it's an opportunity to allow people, again, in this fast-paced world, to get their day back and to not have to suffer through the time period it would normally take them to recover.
Dr. Mary says with an IV drip, patients absorb 8 times more fluids and nutrients than they would by mouth. And while Dr. Morse agrees with the benefits, he says there's not a lot of scientific studies that support the treatment for hangovers.
Mild to moderate intoxication, IV fluids have shown no benefit. As you get further along that spectrum, there has been a benefit of IV fluids for the patient, but it does not affect the rate of metabolism or breakdown of your alcohol in your system.
Here at the Remedy Room, Dr. Mary consults with all of her patients and even runs tests before ever administering a treatment. So if you are sick or just had a rough night out and you're considering this treatment, she says to always make sure it's in the care of a licensed medical professional. Reporting in Uptown, Jaclyn, Kelley, Eyewitness News.